Hello everyone. Now I've had quite a few requests on how I upgraded my stock Volkswagen panic horn and also the keyless entry horn. Now that is the same horn that's actually used in the car. It's not actually work through the same horn you use that's operated by your steering wheel. Volkswagen actually does have a small style horn that's almost similar to a motorcycle horn under the cowl. And it's actually located right in there. I've actually removed mine. Now, with this here, I've upgraded to a BMW wolf whistle. Now, another option you can also upgrade it to is the newer BMW, just sort of a beep style horn. It's actually different. It's sort of an electronic sound. Now, this one here is actually, this particular one is found on late 90s BMWs. Now, I will have a sound clip included in this video just to give you an idea what it sounds like. And from what I found when testing this horn out, it's actually a 4 style wire, which is opposed to the stock Volkswagen, which is only 2 wires. Now I couldn't hook this up directly to the 2 wires. I actually had to run it through a relay because from what I found, there was actually a small amount of voltage which was enough actually to trigger this alarm off. So it actually runs through a relay which is powered up. It closes the circuit then, so then it actually operates the horn, and the small voltage that is present, it isn't enough actually to kick the relay on. Now for the wiring, I've run all the wires through this duct here, which is actually for the ram air. It's basically the same location as for the hood cable. Now as you can see in here, just a small sample what the wire looks like there. I've actually encased the wire in heat shrink, so it just somewhat protects it. I've also sourced out a secondary power, so this is actually always hooked up to power this new alarm I've installed in my car. Then from here, the wiring actually, you'll have to remove the airbox for this. The wiring actually runs under the airbox, straight down under here, and through this main duct here where actually some of the wiring for your engine runs. Now you will have to remove the cowl. In order to do that, you will have to remove both wipers, this rubber trim, also this piece here for your cabin filter just to make it a little more comfortable. And you'll see the stock wiring loom. You might be able to see it just slightly inside there. You can see the blue connectors there is actually for the stock one. And what I've run is just actually spade connectors that go into the stock plug there. Now this does work on panic and also works on a lock button. From what I found, this is actually significantly louder than compared to the stock system. Now I also, at the end of this video, I will include a wiring diagram to show you how it's done. Now if you have any other comments or questions, please don't hesitate to post them.